All right, we're gonna do the first cleaning here. So here's this the clean button, and then start. Oop. Boom. The cleaning's done. Look at that. One drop of soap. See that? One drop of soap. So yeah, so the cleaning's done. So we'll just the old. Uh-oh, you better hurry. Just want to take this out. Alright. I just took it out so I can get to that as well. Pull this out. So that's the first cleaning. I like that, real nice and easy. All right, that puppy go there, and this puppy. Yeah, nice. One cool thing about this is that base is actually waterproof. Like I recommend, spilling anything over it, but when it does, you don't have to worry. Just clean it up as soon as you can. Actually, when I look at the demos, these guys doing this stuff, they just have it wet, and they just throw it right on the base all wet, so I know it's okay, but yeah, so that's the first cleaning. I just test it out now. All right, later I'm gonna make that strawberry pineapple sorbet. That'd be cool. See ya.